I forgot to wish one of my best friends from school a happy birthday. Yup, I'm an idiot. And that's when I thought I could make it up by giving her few of my wonky yet cute clay creations as a beginner clay artist.
Soft strums of the warm acoustic guitar blend with the gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore. A serene melody weaves through the breeze, creating a soothing rhythm that mirrors the ocean's ebb and flow. The sound of distant gulls and the rolling tide add layers to the tranquil sense tape of this coastal
Oh, you're not going nowhere.